traxer on an island in Alaska, and I appreciate you watching, tuning in here today. I have 7 grandkids. I'm very blessed, 5 boys and 2 girls, so they're a lot of fun, and I want to talk to you about what I do. We have a webinar that we host at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday night that you can get a complete overview and details about this work from home way, so you can have a home-based business, and it's a very powerful system, and that is why you definitely want to attend our webinar on 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday evening, and that will give you really good detailed live webinar people, and our team will be on there, and it'll be a really great benefit. And why I call this a powerful system, it's because it has all the pieces to an complete ability to earn online by task, doing tasks daily. And if you do these tasks, you earn money. And it's not a stress or worry about sales or traffic kind of thing, because our 6-figure earner that put this together, actually, she has plugged in that part of it. So you don't have to even think about it. It just happens as part of the system. And you want to check it out, because the tasks that you do every day are simple things that anybody can do. It's not hard at all. And that's the beauty of this system. And we have this webinar every Wednesday. So you want to go to the webinar and listen. If you want to earn extra income, if you want to earn a full-time income, if you're sick of your job and you just want to do something else and quit your job, this is a great business for that. And I just want to tell everybody about the webinar. Details on the webinar, very good to go to that. You'll see me on the webinar and our team, and it will be a wonderful thing to listen to the entire presentation about it, and how you can and actually everybody on our team earns money. So that's one of the big perks. If you never earned online, you can with this system. And that's really doesn't happen with most of the businesses online. People, they get in a business, but then they've got to figure out how they're going to get traffic and sales. It doesn't usually come with the business, where ours it does. In fact, our traffic, pre-qualified leads that already tell you how much they can spend on a business and how much time they can devote, which that's huge. That really is huge, because they want to do a business. They're not somebody that has no interest whatsoever, and here you are, running traffic to them, but doesn't do you any good. But these are not like that. This is exclusive. These types of pre-qualified, I can't even say it, pre-qualified leads are exclusive to our powerful system. So it is a really incredible opportunity for you to have a business and not have any stress or worries about sales or traffic, because we have that. Our 6-figure earner, the lady that created this home business model, it's one of a kind. I've been working from home since my kids were tiny, because I wanted to be home and raise them. And now I have 7 grandkids, as you know. So it's been a long time, and I've seen a lot of things come and go, and I had never seen anything so perfect for anybody, a newbie especially, or somebody that has a big team and would love to see all their team earn. This is the perfect way to do that, and to help your team too. And if you've never had a business, never done one, but you really need the money, or you want to have a different life, you really have goals and dreams and hopes for your family and your kids, and then you're in the right place. And remember, our webinar is 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday. So you will see in the link below on my YouTube to go ahead and get more information about the business, which is a good idea. So you're kind of a little more familiar with it. And then I will send you the link to register for our webinar on Wednesday night. So you want to go to my link in the description and like my video, please. And get some more information, and whichever day of the week you're on, be ready on Wednesday to join us and listen to us live, and you'll see me there and See what I'm talking about. You're really going to love it. So I appreciate you watching and listening to this video tonight and today, whatever time it is where you're at. It's a U.S. and Canada opportunity, though. So thanks and bye from Alaska.